This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you can access system controls. Make sure admin rights are available if required. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager instantly. If that shortcut doesn't work, right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager, or press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and select it from the menu. Once done, glance at the Processes tab to verify apps are visible. These first steps get you into the tool quickly, so you can diagnose performance or end unresponsive programs. You're in, now learn where to look. Switch to Processes to see running apps and background tasks. Click CPU or memory to sort and find heavy usage. Move to Performance to watch real-time CPU, GPU, memory, disk, and network graphs so you understand system load. If you need deeper control, open Details to view PIDs, set priority, or end specific process instances. Once you know these tabs, you can pinpoint bottlenecks and choose the right action with confidence. To finish, end unresponsive apps by selecting them and clicking End Task. You'll force close without rebooting. Check the Startup tab to disable programs that slow boot times and reduce ongoing load. If Task Manager itself won't open Command Prompt as admin and run Taskinger, or boot into safe mode to remove problematic software. One troubleshooting tip: if a malicious process blocks Task Manager, run a full antivirus scan from safe mode. This often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.